Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony. I've usually got Teddy with me, however he's poorly today. He's got the poos and being sick, so he's at home with his mum. And we harvesting potatoes. So it's my second potato harvest of the year. First earlies have been done. These are all main crop. So let me show you the ones I'm harvesting today. Okay, so these potatoes are a mixture of Desiree, which are a red skin potato, and King Edward. So these 3 containers, these 3 look ready. I'm going to leave those a bit longer. That one at the back is ready. I've been giving my onions a haircut just now. And these containers here. So harvest all of those. And in those containers I am going to plant more potatoes. I'm going to revitalise that soil with some cow manure and plant more. Now this bed is also ready, and this bed's ready. These are an experiment I was doing. These are King Edward seed potatoes, and that bed is King Edward shop bought potatoes. Doing a comparison. So that's a separate video. If you want to see that, hit subscribe. Now it is the end of June. I think it's the 1st of July. 1st of July tomorrow it is. So I'm planting these potatoes in the same containers for a second crop late in the year. These are a main crop called Javelin. So planting those for another crop, hopefully around November time. Right, so let's crack on this harvest. Now this is the beauty of growing potatoes in containers. Now these containers, bought 30 of these this year, a really good deal on Amazon, £38 for 10 containers, so £3.80 each. I will link them in the description. Now I already last week harvested a couple of containers of these Desiree. My first time growing them, and they're coming out quite small. Now these smaller ones only had 1 seed potato. I know these were King Edward. Straight away we're seeing some good spuds. I've got a lot of ants on the allotment this year. There's actually an ant's nest in that container, so gloves are needed. feeling this next container of Desiree potato. I'm not sure. All the harvests of Desiree that I've done have been quite small potatoes. Again, more ants. Ants' nests in the containers. As you can imagine, this process is quite time consuming because after I've harvested each container, I'm going to revitalise that soil and then replant. Again, another ant's nest. Oh, and these have done better. These have done better. Again, another good one. And these ants like to bite. Oh, this is a brilliant one. Yeah, really good. Look at this. I'm starting to get a bit disappointed with the Desiree. However, some of the containers are really good. A slight change of camera angle. Oh, another good one. These are brilliant. Again, another decent one. Okay, so this King Edward, as you can see, again quite good. A lot of small potatoes though, but still good. Lots and lots of small potatoes. Now these are nice, boiled, then crushed. A bit of butter on them. Another King Edward, again fairly small. Now what I noticed was the container that had one seed potato in it had bigger potatoes. So I might do an experiment next year and do some containers with one seed potato and some with two, and see what the difference is in yield. So there we go. I think that's going to do me for today. I've got a couple more I could harvest. Like a couple of those ones at the back there, but I'll leave that until all these are ready. Separate video. So I'll weigh those when I get home and I shall put the weight on the screen. Now I'll put the video where those potatoes going on the screen here if you want to see that. If you enjoyed that, you want to see more, hit subscribe, give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.